Hey guys, so GoPro Hero 11 Black and Hero 11 Black Mini come with a new sensor that allows you to capture your video both horizontally and vertically. And thanks to that, you can use the same video file on different platforms such as Instagram or YouTube, which can give you quite a lot of flexibility when capturing your content. So the new 8x7 sensor offers a really tall perspective. You get more view both at the top and bottom of your frame. Now, you may ask a question, why is it even so important? It's all because with 8x7 aspect ratio, you don't have to choose whether to shoot something for YouTube or your social media, because now you can do both at the same time. Now, if you do the same with an older GoPro, you'll have to crop in on that image, so you'll have to zoom in quite a lot on your footage, so you won't have as much view in your shot. You see, most of the videos that I record are mostly for my YouTube channel, and I don't really have much time to record some extra footage just to share it on my Instagram, TikTok, etc. It's extremely helpful that I don't have to worry about it anymore, and if I have anything good, I can simply share it to my social media. 8x7 aspect ratio also gives you quite a lot of flexibility when you use it with GoPro Quik app, as you can turn a video into any aspect ratio or field of view that you like. Since 8x7 aspect ratio gives you such a tall perspective that you can use it to your advantage and precisely adjust your framing and even fix your composition if you have to.
Can we do it? Yes, and go!
please remember that 8:7 aspect ratio is only available in 5.3K resolution and 4K. Unfortunately, you cannot have it in lower resolutions and higher frame rates. And you can only use it in wide field of view. But since you can change it in the GoPro Quik app, it's not really a big deal. So yeah, 8:7 aspect ratio gives you lots of creative freedom when it comes to fixing your composition. And you can also capture enormous perspective that you can use it for vertical or horizontal video. So I'm simply so happy that I no longer have to choose whether I want to specifically record something for my YouTube or Instagram and sacrifice one or the other. For me personally, it just makes capturing my content so much easier. Hopefully you found some value in this video and you learned something from it. And if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.